In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into Gallery app and clicking on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Let's start with Pictures. Hold one of your photos that you wish to delete and use this icon at the top left corner to select multiple right away. To keep some, click on them, and to delete the rest, use the delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums, click on the chosen one, hold one of your pictures, and this time click on the same icon at the top left corner, but a little higher. If you want to select some photos to keep, click on them and delete them the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!